Step 1. Take out the back cover screw with screwdriver. Step 2. Roll out the back cover. Step 3. Remove the head screw with a screwdriver. Step 4. Remove the front cover. Step 5. Put the iWatch in the case on the button side. Align the other side of the watch case and tighten it. Step 6. Install the front cover. Step 7. Install the front cover screws. Step 8. Install the rear cover. Step 9. Install the rear cover screws. OK, installation completed. What if the watch band is too long? Insert a pin into the mounting hole at the strap connection. Take out the connecting bar. Be careful not to drop it. Take out the other side as well. Cut off the excess strap with scissors. Cut 1 or 2 pieces at a time. Insert the connecting lever into the second hole of the strap. Finally, install the watch chain. Display of finished products. Thanks for watching.